Have you ever dreamed of creating a YouTube channel that not only shares your passion but also earns you money? Well, guess what? This year is the year to make that happen. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to level up, this step by step guide will show you exactly how to set up your channel and turn it into a money making machine. Trust me, you would want to stay to the end because I will also share bonus tips on how to monetize faster. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, head over to youtube.com. If you are using phone, you can download the YouTube app for iOS or for Android. Now, once you are on youtube.com, you see this sign in button. The reason why you're seeing this is because I'm not signed in already, so you click on it to sign in. So once you click to sign in, you see the email address. So if you don't have email address, you can see they will give you an option to create a new email address. So you have to just create a new email address, right? Because in as much as you have a Google account, you already have you automatically have access to creating YouTube for free. So what you're going to do is you're going to select this email here. Once we tap on it, it's going to take us to YouTube page. Okay, so they're asking me to put my password. So in case you didn't allow save password, you can put your password. Right, and click the next button. So you can see it has brought us to the YouTube home page. And I brought to the YouTube homepage. And the reason why you're seeing this icon is because I've already signed in. Like I said, if you're not signed in already, you're going to see the sign in option. So once you click on the sign in option, you're going to tell you to select the Gmail you want to use, the Google Mail you want to use for your YouTube account. But if you don't have a Gmail account already, they're going to ask you to sign up. So you're going to create a new one. So once you get to this place, once you are logged in, you're going to click on this profile picture that is there. You're going to click on this profile picture that is there on the right hand side. So this M is because the initials I use in creating this Gmail start with an M. That's why they automatically gave me a profile picture with the initials M. So once you click on it, you're going to see create a channel. So the next thing we'd want to do is to start creating our channel. So you click on create a channel. Alright, so once you click create on channel, so this tab is going to appear. So the first one is name. The name is your YouTube, the name you want to use for your YouTube. Then this handle is the short URL that you'll be sharing to the link. So this handle is more like the handle they can find you with on YouTube. So once you share your link, this handle is going to show at your link. So it will be like youtube.com/@your-handle. So it's good to select. So the reason why this is like this is because this is my email. So they does automatically put this. So but you can always select or use another name that you want to use for the YouTube channel. So let's say for this YouTube channel I want to say news. Let's say Ninja news. Let's say Ninja, or no, let's say I want to use tales. Sorry, I'm having issues with my keypad else. Okay, let's say tales with father. Let's say that's our YouTube channel. Now before you start with your YouTube channel, you should know the name you want to use for your YouTube channel. Then you should know the niche also. So you can see this is available. So you can see the name is available and also the handle is also available. So the next thing I would want to do is I'll click on create channel. Now once you've created the channel, it will bring you to this dashboard. So you see your channel is being created. Check back in few moments. So you just allow it to load. but in some cases you don't need to refresh the page. Yes, so you can see this is our channel already, but it's looking kind of dull because it's just there because it has not been customized. So the next thing you want to do is to start customizing your channel. So you click on this customize channel. Once you've done that, it's going to bring you to this page here. So you can see welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insight, the latest news and insider tips and everything more. So you just click on continue, right? So the next thing you want to do is to upload a profile picture and a banner image. Now for the profile picture, the picture should have at least 98 times 98 pixels at least, and it shouldn't be bigger than 4 MB. It should be lesser than 4 MB or 4 MB direct. So also the banner image should be at least 2480 times 1152 pixels, and it shouldn't be more than 6 MB in size, right? So we'd want to upload a profile picture and also a banner image. Now when uploading a profile picture and banner image, now your profile picture and banner image should align with what your channel is talking about. Like this channel now, I say Tales with Father, so it's basically a channel about stories and people that love stories, right? So the next thing we are going to do is to start creating our profile picture and our banner image. Now to do that, you can use Canva. There's a video on my channel already that talks about how you can design graphics using Canva, so you can check that video out. I'm going to also put it in the description of this video. So to upload your profile picture, you click here. So once you click upload, it's going to take you to your phone or your laptop directory, your PC directory, where you can select a picture, to upload. Now you can also change your name from this place also, and you can change your name twice in 14 days. So if you change your name twice in 14 days, you cannot be able to change again to the next 14 days. Now also your handle, you can change your handle twice every 14 days also. Now the next thing you'd want to consider also is your description. The description is very, very important. So this is where you tell your viewers about what your channel is all about. Now your description will appear in the about section of your channel. So anytime they search for your channel, this description is going to show alongside your channel on YouTube. Now the language, if your channel is specific to a particular language, this is where you can select the language your channel is specific to. Now we also have a channel URL. Now this is a default channel URL from YouTube that you can also share to people to basically visit your YouTube channel. Now this link here, links. Now these links are where you are going to add external links that relates to your channel, maybe your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or your TikTok page. So this way you are going to add them. So once you click on link like this, you're going to see title. So in this title, let's say you want to add a Facebook page, so you can do Facebook. So here you can put the Facebook URL. So let's say this is my, so let's say facebook.com/IamOS. So you now click on publish. So once you click on publish, it means you've saved what you've done here already. So each time you click on publish, that means you've saved what you've done here. You can also add several links. You can also add TikTok. You can add other links also as related to your channel. Now your contact information also, if you want to add the contact information so that people can reach out to you, you can add your email address here, right? Now this last one is video watermark. Now if you want to add watermark on your video, throughout your video, so this way you are going to upload it. So the watermark should not be more than 150 times 150 pixels. Now in order to design all these things, you can go to Canva and design all these things for your channel, right? So here, this is where you upload your video watermark, so that this watermark will appear. It will appear throughout your video, right? It will appear throughout your video when viewers are actually watching your video. And the next thing you also want to customize is your home tab. Now in this your home tab, this home tab showcases or highlights your content to your audience. So it's also recommended to turn it on. So you have to toggle this thing that is here. So once you put it like this, so it's now turned on. So here you can add different sections for your YouTube channel. So you can add up to 12 sections for your YouTube channel. So here we have for you. This one is a default one that is there. So this for you is it's a tab that actually recommends your content to your viewers based on their interests. Understand? So this tab will only be functional when you have enough videos or enough content. So YouTube will start recommending your videos here. Like they can just recommend the best videos based on your users' interest. Now this section is where all your videos appear, right? Now short videos, this is where your shorts appears. So videos that are lesser than, that are like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, they will appear here also. Now this one is past live stream. Your live streams will appear here. So also you can also add sections. Right? So you can see, guys, once you click on add sections, you can add a channel trailer. So this channel trailer is the video you want people to see once they visit your channel. So this is what a channel trailer is. So that video will be the one to be on your channel. Now this spotlights for returning subscriber. Anytime anybody returns to your page, so they're going to spotlight a video for them. So from here you can add that also, right? You can add it to your home tab, your YouTube channel home tab. Now popular videos, you can also decide to add popular videos. So it shows your viewers your videos that are popular. So the ones that have highest views will be displayed, and viewers can also watch from there. Now you can see another tab that is there. We have live now. You can add that one. So anytime you are live, people can just go to that tab and watch your live video. Now we have upcoming live streams. As the name implies, it shows once you schedule a stream, you understand that it's going to go live maybe in some seconds, on hours, or some days. So this is where your users are going to see your upcoming live streams. Now single playlist, if you've created a playlist, let's say for instance you created a playlist for a particular series on your YouTube channel. So this is where they're going to see once they click on this list. So this is where they're going to see it. So once you click on this single playlist, they're going to add the name of your playlist, and people can actually go there and watch your videos based on that playlist. Now we also have multiple playlists, the same thing as single playlist. So multiple playlists contains different playlists, so you can add all your single playlists together here. Now we have subscription. Now this subscription is going to show you it's going to show your users the channels that you have subscribed to. You understand? Now there's also top community clips. Now this section will appear when users make new clips of your content. So once any user make a new clip of your own content, maybe cutting your content and uploading, also it's going to show you the top community clips here. So once you are done with everything here, the next thing you need to do is to click on publish. So remember, each time you make any changes and you are done with your changes, you click on publish so that it can save your changes, right? Now the next thing you'd also want to consider is going to the settings tab. So go to the setting tabs on your YouTube channel. Now in this general, you are saying default units. So it's asking you to select your default currency. So for this channel, I decided to make the default currency to be US dollar. So once you're monetized, or once your channel is being monetized, that's the currency you're going to see on your dashboard. So for this channel, I decided to use US dollar. There are other currencies also, right, that you can use based on your country currency, or if you want to see your earnings in a particular currency, you can change that. And once you go to channel, you can see where they write choose the country of residence. So here you are going to choose the country you are based at. So if you want your channel to be showing that you are based in the US, this is where you are going to select your country of residence. So let's say I want to choose the let's say I want to choose United States, right? So we'll choose United States. Now this keyword, what is your channel all about? So this is where you're going to put your channel keywords. So for instance, let's say this channel we created is a story channel. So you can say story. So each of the keywords are going to separate each keyword with a comma, right, to separate each value of the keyword. So you can say story, you can see story is already registered already. You can say tales. So you can put as many keywords as you want. My keypad is quite bad, so let me bring out my virtual keyboard, right? So we have let's say tales. So you can see tales is registered. Let's say fiction. You can add as many keywords as possible. So you're allowed, you have only 500 characters. Once you are done with 500 characters, it's going to stop. You understand? So that's that. So once you are done with this, the next thing you'd want to do is to click on save. Always make sure you save whatever you do so that you would not lose your settings. And let's go back to settings. Now let's go back to the channel, right? Yeah, so we've saved this. So you can go to advanced settings also. Here you can select who are your channel made for. Understand? So do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So for this one, I want to review these settings for every video. So every video you need to put these settings that okay, the video is not meant for kids, so once you set yes, set this channel as made for kids, that means any video you upload, it means it's made for kids. So the second one is no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kids, so it's going to show that also, because they're trying to censor some kind of words, some kind of actions. And I can see automatic caption. So automatic caption don't show a potential inappropriate word. Understand? So if there's any potential inappropriate word you want to disable from your channel's auto caption, this is where you can add those inappropriate word. Now advertisements. So here, if you select this option, personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channel, such as ads based on the viewer's interest or remarketing ads. So once you click disable interest based ad, that means if a user is interested in, let's say, football ads will not show to that it will not show to your user that's interested in football ads. So for this, we'll just leave it like that. Now we have allow viewers to click my content. You can decide to off this or decide to turn it on. So it's currently turned on, so users can actually do clips of your content and also upload. So we'll leave that. Now this one is a new feature that YouTube added, third-party training. So you can decide to add this one or untick it. For me, I don't want AI model to use my channel content to do anything, so I'm not going to tick it. You understand? So the next thing is to go to feature eligibility. Now this part is very, very important because you need to do this 3-way authentication for your channel to be able to monetize. You understand? So you need to do this. Without this, your channel is not going to monetize. So it's very, very important to do this process. Now we have standard feature. So the standard feature is already enabled, right? And the standard feature is to show that your channel is free from any community strike or community guidelines. So it's already enabled automatically. So it's showing green. So it's showing green like this. It means you've already passed that. You understand? So we have intermediate features. So these intermediate features require to either verify your phone number. You understand? So here you're going to verify your phone number. So once you click on verify phone number, you're going to put your phone number and verify. So it's going to take green also. Now the third authentication is to either upload a valid ID card. So the ID card that you upload here is basically your passport or your driver's license. So this is where you are going to upload that. Now you are going to upload that for verification sake. So if you don't have that, you can also do video verification. And this video verification take about 2 months. Understand? Takes about 2 months for them to delete it from their end. Understand? So you can also do that. So once you've done that, then you can be able to access all YouTube features. So you need to do this I call it the 3-way authentication. So this 3-way authentication needs to be completed for you to be able to earn money on YouTube. Understand? Now we also have upload default. Now you can decide to put a default description, a default title that will show each time you want to upload video on your channel, and a default visibility of each video. But for me, I will not advise you to do that because sometimes each videos might be different. But for description, maybe you can put, if your videos are always one kind of content, you can do that also. Now advanced settings. Now you can also decide to select if your the license of your YouTube, whether it's a standard YouTube license or a Creative Commons. If it's a standard YouTube license, it means people cannot really use your content. You can flag them for copyright and all that. If it's Creative Commons attribution, it means people can actually use your content and also give you credits for your content, so they will not get strike. Here you can select the language and caption for your videos. Now all these things are not really important, you understand? So this is caption certification. If your content appears on US television or on or after September 30, 2012, it might require closed caption. So this is not really important. So permission. Now in this permission, this is where you can send invite to people to also manage your channel. Let's say for instance you want your channel to be managed by someone. So this is where you are going to invite the person, understand, to manage your channel. Now once you click on invite, you are going to see the person's email. So the person's email needs to be a Gmail. So once the person gives you his Gmail, now you need to give the person access from it. So a manager can view everything, manage permissions, go live and create, edit and delete content. So that's the role of this particular access. Now for editor can view everything on your channel. The editor can go live. He can create and edit content, but can't manage permission or delete content. Understand? This editor cannot delete your content on your channel. Understand? But a manager can delete the content on your channel, but a manager cannot take your channel from you. So you as the owner of the channel, you're the only one that have sole access to the channel. The manager cannot remove the owner of the channel, but the manager can remove the editor's permission. The manager can also remove every other person's permission, but the manager cannot remove the owner of the channel. Understand? So we have editor. Editor has same editor limited has same permission as editor, but he cannot view revenue data. But this guy can view revenue data, but this other guy cannot view revenue data. That's how much you make on your YouTube channel. Now we have the subtitle editor. Now this subtitle editor can add, edit and remove subtitles, but the person cannot view any other thing else apart from that. Now a viewer can also view everything, but can't create, edit or delete anything on your channel. We also have viewer limited. This person also have same permission as a viewer, but cannot view your revenue data. But this viewer can view your revenue data, but the viewer cannot do anything else on your channel. He cannot do anything. He's only just review everything on your channel, but the person cannot edit. The person cannot do anything. Just reviewing your channel. So that's the permission. So depending on the permission you want to give to anybody, think about it before you give that permission. Now once you come to community, on community part, you can also add managing moderator. Now moderator is maybe when you are live, people that are going to respond to comment, people that are going to stop comments, people that are going to do certain things when you are live. So those are the moderators, right? So these users, they have the same capability as standard moderators, but in addition, they can manage blocked words, they can change chat models when you are live. Understand? So we have standard moderators. So these users can remove comment which will appear in your health page and can also moderate your live chat messages. This one is basically for people that are already that wants to go live, maybe when you're live. So this is where you are going to give certain permission to certain users so that whenever you're live, they can moderate your live sections. So this is also this default. If you want people to comment on your channel, as you can see, you have to turn it on because you always want people to comment, except you don't want people to comment on your channel, right? So here, agreements. So this is basically where YouTube agreement and all that are, but for now it won't be really important. So those are the basic settings you need to do on your YouTube channel. Now we also have content. So once you come to your dashboard here, you have content, we have analytics, you have community, you have subtitles, you have copyright and customization, right? So this content, this is where you're going to see all the content you've uploaded on your YouTube channel. And if you want to upload content to your YouTube channel, this is where you come to and you click on the create. So once you click create, you're going to see upload videos, go live, new playlist, or new podcast. So anything you want to do, if you want to upload a video, this is where you come to and select the video you want to upload. Now on analytics part, so this is where you're going to see your channel viewership, how your channel has done over the week, over the day. You're going to see your views, you're going to see your watch time, you're going to see your number of subscribers, you're going to see everything that has to do with your channels and visibility. Now this way here, once you click on content, I'm going to see the videos you've uploaded, how many people watch your video, how many people are returning subscribers, how many people are this, how many people are that. Your audience basically are people that watch your channel. Where are they from? How many times they watch your channel, the watch time you got, the age, the gender, the popular cities, the subtitles, top subtitles, and all that. So this way you're going to see that also. Now for trend is this is where you're going to see tips. Now this trend is basically tips on the next video you want to upload. So in trend, the YouTube is going to recommend the next video you can create for your channel. Like since this is Tales with Fathers, you can see they're telling me to create the history of architecture in New York, easy and fast fluffy pancake recipe, best budget noise cancellating headphones. So those are the kind of videos they are suggesting for me to create. So this is where you're going to get ideas for your next video on what to do. Understand? So this is where you see it. Now community, it's just your people that like your videos, people that like your video, people that comment on your video, people that made mention of your name on your videos and all that. So this is where you're going to see all that. Now subtitles, this is where you're going to see the subtitles, all your subtitles for your videos, especially the ones that maybe you added subtitles. So this is where you're going to see them. Now for copyright, this is where you're going to see if you have any video that has copyright, if your channel have copyright and somebody has sent you a copyright strike. So this is where you're going to see those things here. You can also click here to also add your own removal request. So maybe someone uploaded a video and you don't want it, so you can come here and add your video so that they can remove the video from the channel also. Now on this end part, this is where you're going to see once your channel is due for earning. This is where you're going to see your earnings, and this is where you're going to set up your earnings also once your channel is due for monetization. Understand? So there's audio library also. Now audio library is where you can access YouTube audios. So most of the YouTube audios are free audios that won't give your channel copyright. Most times people get the issue of copyright on their channel. Maybe the audio they use, it's copyright, you understand? So but with YouTube audio, they are copyright free. You can actually use them without having issues. You can use their sound effect and their music on your video without having any copyright strike or issues with your YouTube channel. Now on this send feedback, now on send feedback tab, this particular tab is basically if you have any issues, maybe with any of the features on YouTube. So once you're on that page, you click on send feedback. So you're going to tell them what the issue you had, and you're going to also capture a screenshot of the issue you have. To get your channel monetized on time, the first thing you need to do is to start creating good thumbnails. A good thumbnails will make people to click on your video. The second thing you need to do is your video title and your video description should be SEO ready. Now, if you don't know how to create an SEO ready title and video description, you can use ChatGPT to help you to create. I can give you the prompt. I'm going to drop a prompt for you on the comment on the video description. Also, once you upload a video, make sure you are the first person to watch the video and like the video. Now once you do that, what you are sending to YouTube algorithm is people like that video. So once you watch it first till the end, then share the video to your friends to also watch till the end and like and comment also. With that, YouTube will recommend the videos to people. When uploading your video, make sure to add an end screen. Now your end screen can be your previous videos, two of your previous videos, or a playlist to your video. So that helps YouTube recommend your videos to people. So I'm going to drop you another video. I'm going to be talking about YouTube monetization in full for those that are new to YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be the first to get my videos anytime I drop them. Comment, like, share this video to someone that may need it. See you on the next video.